Cool. Could you please tell me when did you start your learning English? Actually, guys, yesterday one of you guys commented me through my comment and saying, Nakul, could you please tell me when did you start your English learning journey? So in this video, I am going to share that when did I learn English, right? And how long it took me get at this position, or also sharing some of my tips and technique that changed my approach to learning English, right? So that is why, guys, I think this video is going to be very crucial in order for you to becoming fluent in English, especially for who all are at this initial phase, right? So I think you should keep on watching until it very end. And yes, before I dive in, I want you to please give it a like, and also it's totally free, so please give it a like, and if you want, you can share with someone who are interested to learn English. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so I was started learning English when I was a child. Yes, actually, guys, you might have a question why you started learning English, right? Actually, my dad, when I was young, my dad always wanted me to learn English, right? So that is why from that time I got interested to learn English. So that is why I'm learning English. But it's not like I am learning English continuously from childhood to adult, right? No, it's not like. Means I also got to see a lots of ups and downs, right? And you guys know already, actually ups and downs is something that has to happen everyone with, right? So that is why it had happened with me too, right? And also these days even sometimes it happened with me too, and even you are also going through it, right? I'm sure sometimes you are also struggle to be consistent on your progress, right? As I do. And also, by the way, it has a long story, but okay, I'm going to explain a little bit here. Actually you can guys check out that Nakul, you are learning English from 2 years. Guys, that's not true. Actually, as I told you, it has a long story, but I do not want to explain here. And also I am actually struggle to construct super complicated sentences, right? So that is why here I want to share a little bit more, right? Actually, if you ask me, instead of saying when did you start your English learning journey, but instead of saying, if you guys ask me, Nakul, when did you start learning English seriously, so here I would say my question would be minimum 1 year, right? Yeah, minimum 1 year. Within a 1 year I am able to speak English, means I am at this stage, and you are also. And if you want, if you spend time into your progress, then you also be able to speak English as I speak. Yes, guys, that's true. But you have to be consistent, and you have to be dedicate hours and hours in a day, right? It's not like today is 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes another day. No, isn't realistic. So it's up to you, you can say, right? Means when do you want to get at this position? If you want to get faster, then you have to dedicate hours, right? But otherwise, if you just want to understand native speakers but not want to speak, then okay, just spend 10 minutes or minimum half an hour in a day. Just you are going to understand, but you are not able to speak, right? And also, पर होता है ना, रीडिंग विल कम बाय रीडिंग, एंड स्पीकिंग विल कम ओनली बाय स्पीकिंग, एंड राइटिंग will come by writing, right? So whatever you want to do, actually, so you have to do, right? Means here I have a river, right? So if I want to learn how to swim on this river, then you have to actually swim, right? Not you can't learn by reading, right? So that is how things happen, right? Okay, so I hope I made you understand properly when did I learn English, right? So at the end I would say once more that it doesn't matter when did you start learning English. So it's matter ki how do you practice, right? How much time do you dedicate to your progress, right? It's matter. Okay, so that's all for today, and at the end give it a like and share it with someone who are interested into learning English. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye.